Looking for a smarter way to keep an eye on your home? The eufyCam E42 Cam Kit is built for families who want peace of mind without the monthly fees. Each camera captures in sharp 4K Ultra HD, so you can see exactly what's happening around your home. Day or night, front porch to driveway. If someone approaches, the motion-activated strobe light and siren kick in to help deter unwanted visitors. You'll also get instant alerts, so you're always in the loop. With full 360-degree coverage and wide viewing angles, you can monitor more with fewer blind spots. Whether it's checking on deliveries or keeping an eye on the kids playing out front, it's all covered. Built-in AI detects and tracks people, vehicles, and key events. That means fewer false alarms and smarter notifications that actually matter. Thanks to Solar Plus 2.0, the second generation of eufy solar tech, each camera stays charged with just 2 hours of direct sunlight a day. No cables, no maintenance, no worries. Footage is stored locally on Homebase 3 with 16 gigs built in and expandable up to 16 terabytes. That means no ongoing fees and no cloud subscriptions to manage. Whether you're running a business from home, juggling family life, or just want to feel more secure, the eufyCam E42 makes it easy to stay protected. You can find it now at JB Hi-Fi, in-store or online.